So how's the black market business going? Felix?
What?
I said how's the black market business going?
Well, seeing as Stefan left with all the guns 2 months ago, Anton lost half of our food to a bad bet, and I'm sitting here on the 3rd floor of the abandoned poker club, trying to receive some documents that may or may not give the Allies an upper hand in the upcoming invasion of Italy by assassinating that army captain called Gunther Von Stauff, potentially ruling the business in another half-brained scheme, resistant suicide mission, paying less than what my life is worth. I'd say business is pretty good.
So where'd that bloody brother of yours, Stefan, go off?
Hold up! There is someone coming outside the HQ. The dogs are running off. It's Angelo.
Who?
Vogel, the corrupt Major General. Everything okay, General?
Yeah, I'm just going to check what the story Gunther is.
Yeah, boy.
It's not like him to be late. He's going to miss our meeting. Larry, what are you doing outside? You're late.
Hello, Vogel. It is a beautiful day to play with your dogs, don't you think?
A beautiful day indeed. But what are you doing outside? You're there to ruin the surprise on Gunther. Come in.
I'm going to lead Gunther in. I'll pretend he's in trouble and it will be a great surprise.
Why, yet another great idea, Burkhalter. I'm just going to check the drinks inside for clarity, you know what I mean. I'll see you inside.
Don't forget to check the 38 Latour now.
He was talking to that old coot, Colonel Burkhalter.
Any idea what they were on about?
I assume drinks.
Just a heads up there, Henry. The Lancaster bombers are getting ready for takeoff.
What a pretty voice.
It's my sister you land on.
Ah, Maria. Wait, why did she tell you about bombers?
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, they're going to have an air raid to assist you with Assassination. It'll be great.
Smoke, fire, and people running about in panic. How the hell does that help me get these documents?
Heads up! Gunther's arrived.
Colonel Burkhalter!
Captain Von Stauff.
Are you having a tea break outside or
But
something?
he doesn't have the documents.
Supposed to be inside for the meeting!
Captain Von Stauff, you are late again.
I was up all night doing paperwork. Important paperwork.
Your excuse is invalid. You gave Vogel the documents earlier.
Well, each of these so-called meetings has turned into a booze festival. I swear, if this one is anything like the last two, I'll be writing letters to the state!
Oh, you will not be invited again as you do so.
I have too much work to be doing.
Yes, it's snow in the mountains. I hate you.
What the hell are you all about? Are the soldiers here?
So they're not in the car?
Yet.
Well, what if we gave them to him earlier?
Well, they'd have scheduled an earlier meeting otherwise.
I suppose Vogel likes his, whatchamacallit, fair like grass matinee.
After your incident at the stoned patient 2 months ago, I have to do a surprise hygiene inspection to make sure that doctor has got the place back into sanitary conditions. How long will this take? I'm due at 11:30.
Well, it depends on how long Vogel's speech is.
Speech? Vogel's doing a speech?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
What is this?
Surprise!
No, you can't do this! I don't have time for a stupid party! I have work to do!
Happy birthday, Gunther!
Why is Angelo here?
He's your friend.
Wrong!
He told me to call you guns.
Interesting. I'm off. I've seen enough here. Goodbye.
No, wait.
They've been quite some time.
And you know how long these meetings take?
We might be here quite some time.
What was Dad always said? It's bad wind that doesn't blow some good. In 30 seconds.
Indeed. Being Felix Greek of the Black Market Brothers, I think it would be a good idea if you're actually armed for this mission.
Was that just lying behind the bed the whole time?
Yes, why not? You can pay me.
On credit?
No, I don't take credit. Extra for
Pretty
this.
crappy gun.
No, sit here, Gunther, sit here. It was quite a funny afternoon, actually. I was down there with my friend, Private Anders, actually. It's quite a party, and he...
Oh, that was speech to me. Hello, everybody. Let me grab a handful of mail with your aristocrat, newly born Gunther, on his 30th birthday. And I want to wish him a couple of them.
God
Normally, when I see such a large group of soldiers gathered, eating cake and chatting, I feel the need to encourage everyone to get back to work. Well, to be frank, the caterpillar's a slow-moving creature.
Likes this party.
That rest before becoming a beautiful butterfly at the time.
What is taking them so long?
Maria, give me an update on where those bombers are.
40 minutes, and the Lancaster bombers will be in Peterborough.
30 minutes.
I'm just tempted to go and snatch them myself at this stage.
Gunther, we've become a beautiful butterfly in retirement story. Most importantly, Gunther is an amazing person. May not the best dreams come true as we stand. Raise at last and happiness and say together, Says Livy, it's life. Well done, Gunther.
Right, I've had enough.
Holy God, that was truly beautiful, truly inspirational, Vogel.
Actor, Burkholder, Gunther, Lash. What? Oh, I am going to be sick. Get the doctor.
Oh, Lord, that is disgusting.
Look, someone else is there.
They're bringing Vogel out on the balcony with some kind of bowl.
Right, stay there.
I'm a mathematical genius.
You're so nice.
Yes. I think maths is great. I think you'll love these.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, everyone.
Who is that?
I ruined the party.
That's that doctor from down the road. Edward is his name?
I think so, yeah. Maybe someone had a heart attack? Doctor. I need the doctor.
Vogel, I warned you about drinking beer too quickly. But it's alright, I'm watering it down now.
It's coloured red.
Yeah, it's 38 to 2.
38 to tour is a wine.
Yeah, I can trust you, can't I?
Well, I suppose, but what would you need to trust me with?
Well, you've been so nice to me on my stomach feeling better. I think you deserve the choice of one of these. Top secret, don't tell them. Jam now, I gave it to you, or I will be shot. You have a choice, there's V2 rocket launch plans, or invasion against Italy plans. I'm not sure which is which.
They're worth a fortune. This is not a valid form of payment, Vogel. I'm just going to play you a silly game. I'll take this one. I will accept the check-ins email. You can send it down to my office later.
Right, thank you. Well, thank you very much. It's been a pleasure.
Good luck. I'll tell the soldiers to get this water. And I'm heading back to the stone patients. Soldiers! Vogel needs some water. Let's see what he's actually giving me.
Vogel had them. Why is he giving them to the doctor?
Come on, Felix, shoot him.
Well, I can't shoot. Suddenly loads of people are on the balcony.
Holy God!
What on earth is that?
It's the air raid. They can see the bombers.
Fill me to king, damn you.
Vogel's got one of the letters. What's in the other?
Well, good luck to you, Felix. I'm not staying here another minute. You can't just abandon me.
An air raid. Humphreys, quick, move inside.
Vigo!